Afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday in the weekend edition of Saturday, March the 2nd, March the 3rd, 2024. Yes, in this weekend edition, we have an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, and in the evening I've also a samurai Sudoku, so it will take me more than an hour to solve that puzzle. But first, these 4 puzzles. The first puzzle I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku, number 8116. Yeah. Well, 3 stars. I don't think this one is a 3 stars puzzle because this puzzle has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Almost 2 minutes past. Well. Let me look for a number. Well, I can start with a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4. A should be there. Need a 1, need a 7. Nope, need a 7 there. Alright, need a 1 here. We need a 6 here. Need a 7 there, and need an 8. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have an 8 and a 7 in the middle column, so no 8 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 8 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. 1, okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this first row. Should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Alright. 1. 1. Well, in the last row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in first column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in second column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 in the last row could be here, could be there, here or there. You see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright. Okay, and now 2 missing them. Oh wait, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So so the row below. Sorry, 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. How about need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Okay. 9, 2. Need a 6 here, okay. No, need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay. No. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. No. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. Well. 4. Need a 3. I have all the 3s. How about the 2s? Then 2. Come on. Need a 5 here. I'm thinking. Come on. 5. I need a 6 here. And I need a 2 here. Come on. I'm thinking. Yeah. 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. 7, need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 2 places left. The 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Okay. 5, need a 5 here. How about these? Need a 1 here. 6, 1, 6, 8, and the 4. Need a 4 here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left. The 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left. For the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay. 2, 9, 7. 3 missing numbers in the last row. 1 of the missing number in the last row is number 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. There's the only place left with 2 in the last row. Should be there. Then need a 2 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 7. We have 2 and 7 in this last column, so no 2 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between the only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the amount. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So the last column. Only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 and a 7. We have 8 now in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 6 and 8. We have 8 now in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So the first column. The only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also 6 and the 7. Well, 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 1 here. Right. 9 and the 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last. 1 digit left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 6 or a 7. We have a 7 here. This box should be 6. 1 box left in this column for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 9 and the 5. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then 5 in the last row. 5 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Here 2 and the 7 are left in this row. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the mouse. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So should be a 0 stars, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.